Hey there, science fans! Bill Nye here, and today we're diving into the fascinating and sometimes scary world of cancer-causing pathogens. Now, you might be thinking, pathogens? Aren't those the tiny critters that make us sick? You're absolutely right. Pathogens are microscopic invaders like viruses, bacteria, and parasites that can cause all sorts of illnesses. But here's the kicker. Some of these sneaky pathogens can also cause cancer. Yep, you heard that right. These microscopic mischief makers can wreak havoc on our cells, disrupting their normal growth and turning them cancerous. It's like a hostile takeover from within. Now, don't panic just yet. The good news is that not all pathogens cause cancer, and our bodies have amazing defense mechanisms to fight them off. Plus, scientists are hard at work developing vaccines, treatments, and prevention strategies to outsmart these tiny troublemakers. So, buckle up as we explore the hidden world of cancer-causing pathogens and discover how we're fighting back. The journey to understanding these pathogens has been long and complex. Early scientists, with their rudimentary tools, laid the groundwork for what we know today. Fast forward to the present, and we have cutting-edge technology that allows us to see these pathogens in incredible detail, right down to their DNA. By understanding their genetic makeup, we can develop targeted treatments and vaccines that are more effective than ever before. Our immune system is a powerful ally in this fight. It constantly patrols our bodies, ready to attack any invaders. But sometimes, these pathogens can outsmart our defenses. Some pathogens have evolved clever ways to hide from our immune system, making them particularly dangerous. This is why ongoing research is so crucial. Collaboration is key. Scientists around the world are working together, sharing knowledge and resources to tackle these global health challenges. The future looks promising. With continued research and innovation, we are getting closer to outsmarting these cancer-causing pathogens once and for all. So, stay curious and stay informed, because science is always evolving. And together, we can make a difference in the fight against cancer. Let's start with some of the more well-known viral vandals. Human papillomavirus, or HPV, hepatitis B virus, and hepatitis C virus. These viruses are notorious for their ability to cause serious health issues. These viruses are like the bullies of the pathogen world, known for causing several types of cancer. They invade our cells and can disrupt normal cellular functions, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. HPV, for instance, is a common virus that can infect the skin and mucous membranes. It is transmitted through intimate skin-to-skin contact and can lead to warts on various parts of the body. Most HPV infections are harmless and go away on their own. The immune system usually clears the virus within 2 years. But in some cases, certain types of HPV can linger and lead to cervical cancer, as well as cancers of the mouth, throat, and other areas. Persistent infection with high-risk HPV types is the main cause of cervical cancer. Then there are the hepatitis viruses, B and C. These viruses are primarily spread through contact with infected blood and other body fluids. These viruses target the liver, causing inflammation and damage that can eventually lead to liver cancer. Chronic infection with hepatitis B or C can result in cirrhosis, liver failure, and liver cancer. It's like a slow-burning fire that, over time, can cause serious damage. The liver, being a vital organ, is crucial for detoxifying the body, producing proteins, and aiding in digestion. The good news is that we have effective vaccines against HPV and hepatitis B. These vaccines have been proven to be highly effective in preventing infections and the subsequent health issues they can cause. These vaccines are like giving your body a sneak peek at the virus, allowing your immune system to build up its defenses and fight back if it ever encounters the real deal. Vaccination is a powerful tool in our fight against these viral threats, helping to protect individuals and communities from serious diseases. By getting vaccinated, you not only protect yourself, but also contribute to the broader public health effort to reduce the spread of these viruses. It's a collective step towards a healthier future for everyone. Ongoing research and advancements in medical science continue to improve our understanding and management of these viruses. With continued efforts, we can hope for even more effective treatments and preventive measures in the future. So let's take advantage of the tools we have today and work together to combat these viral vandals. A healthier tomorrow starts with the actions we take today. Moving on from viruses, let's talk about some bacterial baddies and other viral villains. One such bacterium is Helicobacter pylori, or H. pylori for short. This tiny troublemaker infects the stomach lining, causing inflammation and painful ulcers. Over time, this chronic inflammation can significantly increase the risk of stomach cancer. On the viral side, we have the Epstein-Barr virus, or EBV, another common virus that usually causes mild symptoms like fever and fatigue. However, in some cases, EBV can lead to a type of cancer called Burkitt's lymphoma, as well as other cancers like Hodgkin's lymphoma and nasopharyngeal cancer. While we don't have vaccines for H. pylori or EBV yet, scientists are hard at work developing them. In the meantime, we can reduce our risk of infection through good hygiene practices, like frequent hand washing and safe food handling. Now, let's delve into the world of some lesser-known but equally important cancer-causing pathogens, starting with Kaposi's sarcoma-associated herpes virus, or KSHV. This virus is part of the herpes virus family and is primarily known for causing Kaposi's sarcoma, a type of cancer that manifests as lesions on the skin, but it can also affect the lymph nodes and internal organs. KSHV is particularly prevalent in individuals with weakened immune systems, such as those with HIV/AIDS. This virus, also known as human herpes virus 8, can cause Kaposi's sarcoma, a type of cancer that affects the skin, lymph nodes, and internal organs. The lesions caused by Kaposi's sarcoma can be purple, red, or brown, and are often mistaken for bruises or rashes. Early detection and treatment are crucial for managing this condition effectively. Next up is the human T lymphotropic virus type 1, or HTLV1, a virus that infects T cells, a type of white blood cell that plays a crucial role in our immune system. HTLV1 is transmitted through blood, sexual contact, and from mother to child during breastfeeding. Once infected, the virus can remain dormant for years before causing any symptoms. HTLV1 can cause a rare type of cancer called adult T-cell leukemia lymphoma, or ATL. This aggressive cancer affects the T cells and can lead to symptoms such as swollen lymph nodes, skin lesions, and an enlarged liver or spleen. Treatment options for ATL are limited, making early diagnosis and monitoring essential. But it's not just viruses and bacteria that can cause cancer. Parasitic infections are another significant, yet often overlooked cause of cancer. These parasites can live in the human body for years, causing chronic inflammation and tissue damage. Some parasites, like Schistosoma hematobium and liver flukes, can also increase the risk of cancer. Schistosoma hematobium is a type of parasitic worm that infects the urinary tract, leading to chronic inflammation and an increased risk of bladder cancer. Liver flukes, on the other hand, infect the liver and bile ducts, causing inflammation that can lead to bile duct cancer. These parasites infect the bladder and liver, respectively, causing chronic inflammation that can eventually lead to cancer. The chronic inflammation caused by these infections creates an environment conducive to cancer development, making it crucial to diagnose and treat these infections early. In a more recent updates, Merkel cell polyomavirus, MCPYV, is a virus linked to a rare but aggressive type of skin cancer known as Merkel cell carcinoma, MCC. Discovered in 2008, MCPYV is one of the few human polyomaviruses associated with cancer. Here's what we know. Key facts. Cancer association. MCPIV is the primary culprit behind most cases of Merkel cell carcinoma, a skin cancer that tends to grow rapidly and metastasize, spread early. MCC mostly affects older adults or those with weakened immune systems. Transmission. The virus is believed to be quite common, with many people being infected at some point in their lives without showing any symptoms. However, only a small percentage of those infected develop cancer, likely due to additional genetic mutations or immune suppression. While these pathogens may be less well known, understanding their role in cancer development is crucial for developing effective prevention and treatment strategies. Research into these pathogens not only helps in creating targeted therapies, but also in developing vaccines and public health measures to reduce the incidence of these infections and their associated cancers. By increasing awareness and understanding of these lesser-known cancer-causing agents, we can take significant steps towards reducing the global cancer burden. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to stay updated with the latest insights and advancements. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content. Thank you.